Welcome guys to another video from me, and today's video is something a little bit different. I bought a 7-bedroom house in Warsaw and we're here today, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with it, which might be a little bit of a surprise to you guys because it's not normally what we do. So come inside and take a look. Here we are in the first room, and like I said, it's a 7-bedroom house and I'm going to turn it into single let units. So the first room here, it's going to have, the whole house is going to be stripped out from everything that you can see. It's kind of like a full refurb of an existing property, but as you'll see and we go through the house is deteriorated massively. So everything in this house is electric as well, guys, by the way. There's no gas in here. Self-contained units have their own kitchenette areas, and the rooms will have a single shower, a toilet and a basin, and then electric heaters. Every house runs on its own meter. Sorry, every room runs on its own meter, not every house. And then we're gonna go through, there's 2 down here. On the side, I actually have a single 1-bed flat that I can build, which I'm gonna show you guys. So come in there and take a look. So that was unit 1, this is unit 2. Now, unit 2 is identical to unit 1. The kitchenette will be fitted here. The bathroom's there with the shower, the toilet and the basin. There'll be an electric heater in here as the radiator, because obviously the house is all electric. And we will supply beds, TVs, wardrobes, whatever's needed. This house is unreal. And then when we go through that door there, it turns into a 1-bedroom single flat, which I'm going to do there. So, with the existing plans, this is unit 3, but what I did was I submitted new plans to the council. This will be a separate door, so this will be a separate part of the house. If you come through, you can see this will be the lounge diner, this room here. And then if you look over here, this will be a kitchen area. All along here will be a kitchen. It has its own access, so it's completely separate. Even though the 2 doors at the front are joined to the same house, this will be a separate access completely. We come into this room here, which will be the bedroom for the 1-bedroom flat. So you've seen the lounge diner, you've seen the kitchen, you've seen the separate access. Ams will walk past me now. You have a little bit of a storage area, and then you have the bathroom at the back. So this is now a 1-bedroom flat, completely separate from the main house. So we've gone from 7 self-contained units to 5 and a 1-bedroom flat. Now you're probably saying to me, why have you done that for? Well, the money I get for the self-contained units, I will make more money from the flat. This garden has a decent sized house. This house has a decent sized garden. Now, the plan for this garden is I'm going to build a fence across there. The access where Ams is coming out now will be for the self-contained units downstairs and upstairs, and the 1-bedroom flat will have its own garden at the back with its own access. Hey people, this is a quick message from me to let you know that I teach 3 education programs. I teach the Property Masterclass, the Deal Sourcing Masterclass, and the BRRR Masterclass. Now, these masterclasses entitle you to become a member of the Property Circle. We are the fastest growing property education program in the UK. We have over 150 members in just 8 months. So, if you want to join the Property Circle, it costs £995 for one of my masterclasses. If you are unsure of which way to go in your property journey, fill out the form below and I will personally call you to discuss which way I think you should go and which masterclass you should sign up to. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Signing out. So as I come up the staircase, you can see the staircase has sunk and it's fallen out of place. So that has to be replaced. It's not safe. And as we come upstairs, we go into unit number 3 of the house, which is this one here. Now, they're all the same layout. There's not going to be a kitchenette here though, because upstairs, the 3 units, I'm going to have a communal kitchen. That's what I've got on the plans. They will have their own showers, toilets and basins in there. The rooms will be kitted out with furniture, like I said, but the upstairs 3 rooms will not have kitchenettes in. They will have a kitchen that they share as a communal one. So, unit number 4, again, there's no kitchenette in here. Bathrooms in there, shower, toilet and basin. no kitchenette over there. All of these rooms as well, guys, are great sizes. We have a massive space in the loft, and I'm not sure I want to do anything. I haven't asked for anything on planning or the architectural drawings, so I'm going to see how it goes over the next couple of weeks and then decide. This is the communal kitchen for the 3 upstairs units. It's a great space. We'll have all the kitchen units around here, and on top, all the appliances are being here. And like I said, the 3 units can use this as a communal space. And this walkway that we're going down now leads to unit number 5, which actually has a bigger bathroom space. So this is unit number 5. Now it has a separate bathroom, which is a lot bigger than the other units that I've showed you. And then if you go back into this room, you'll see that this room is a larger room as well, guys. So in here, it literally just will be the bed, the wardrobes, the TV, and any other furniture that's needed. Great space this unit number 5 is. Right, most important part of the house, guys, the numbers. You know me, I am a numbers guy. The house cost me £100,000. And to renovate this whole house, I have had a quotation of between 30 and 40,000. Now the reason there's a £10,000 difference is because they're not sure of anything that's hidden that might be there. So they wanted to put the 10 grand contingency in place. Now, the builders I'm using are BJH Contracts. Ben Holleran, he's a member of the Property Circle. Ams, can you put his details up here, please, to let everybody know who he is? I trust him, I've known him from young, and I know what his work's like. I have seen some of the HMOs that he has done, so I'm very, very, very happy and I'm impressed with his work. Now, that's gonna cost me, what, 140,000 maybe to get it all done, get it in shape. Even if it went to 150,000, guys, I'm not really bothered, because the end valuation on a commercial basis on this property will be upwards of 280 plus, hopefully. That's what we've been told. I've had my mortgage broker down here, I've explained everything to him, and that's what he has told me. He reckons we can go a lot higher than that, but we'll see. Now, the numbers on the rental side, guys. If I rent these rooms out individually, I will get between £90 and £100 per room. Now, I have 5 units in here, like I said, so that'll be around £450 a week. Plus, I have the flat on the side, which is a 1-bedroom. Now, I'm hoping to get 125. Being realistic, I'll probably get 110. So that's still around £450 a month for the flat itself. So if we do 450 times 4, that's about £1,800. Add another £450, we can get around £2,250 a month for this house as 5 units and a 1-bedroom flat. For me, that's not a bad return on my investment. So I'm very happy. It's going to go according to plan because I know it is. It's what we do. And I'm really excited for the renovations to start next week. So Ben, if you're watching, don't screw it up. End of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. The numbers on this house are absolutely crazy. The rental figures are incredible. What a great house that we have bought here. I hope you guys enjoy the content that we put out, because to consistently do this, it takes a lot of time and effort, and the feedback we are getting is incredible. But on this video, we would love to get 100 likes. Please, please, please smash that like button for us. Leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, I have no idea what you're doing. If you're in property in the UK, we are the best. I'm saying it on camera, we are the best in the UK property market. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll be back shortly with a new video.